All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, we have James with us today, who's completed a bunch of treatments, turned out fabulous. Tell us what happened to you and where you were and what's going on.
Well, I was having a series of problems with periodontal disease,
Right.
and because of my not taking care of my teeth like I should have.
Yeah, I guess all of us, doesn't it?
Over time, it
Yeah.
caught up with me.
Right.
And now I'm not addicted to candy anymore. I
That's
don't eat
good.
candy anymore.
Candy can get you in trouble.
Yeah, sugary drinks and all of that.
Right.
And really all of that is basically because of the great care I received and the information I received from Dr. Godat and his staff.
Thank you so much,
I
James.
appreciate all the professional demeanor, attitudes, and kindness of his staff, and him having a caring type heart.
Yeah.
You know, what's from the heart reaches the heart.
Oh,
and
man,
he's certainly an outstanding physician in this community, and he should be commended for the great work that he's doing.
Oh, you're gonna make me cry, man. That was beautiful. Thank you so much, James.
Yeah.
And this is kind of where we started, you know, that bridge further off from the candy and the decay, and then we got implants back in the front and stabilized. And Dr. Bilal did a beautiful bridge.
She did.
She made it all match from the beginning.
She did.
I'm super pumped, and thank you. Most importantly, thank you for all your kind words.
Yes.
But we love helping people out, and I hope it shows. And thank you for being a great patient.
Absolutely. Thank you, Dr. Bilal, as well. The two of you working together.
It's a teamwork.
Yes,
it was teamwork.
Yeah,
And it's beautiful.
We
Thank
appreciate
you.
having people themselves in our dental community
Thank
doing
you.
such a great job.
Thank you, James. Appreciate you. Bless you, brother.